Today we're going to discuss briefly the responsibilities of a seller during a short sale. How exactly does a short sale work for the seller? So let's dive right in.
If you want to sell your house very fast for cash, then House Cash In gets the cash flowing.
There's two factors a seller is going to have to deal with during the short sale process. The first factor is submitting their financial documentation to the lender. How it's going to work, guys, the lender is going to assign a bank negotiator or a bank representative to the file. That representative is going to reach out either mail, email, equator, phone, however that lender does it, and they're going to reach out to the seller or the processor if you have one, and they're going to want things such as tax returns, bank statements. Let's say you're receiving Social Security, you're going to have to send your Social Security award letter. Everything financially related, you're going to have to submit to the bank in a timely fashion. The second factor is getting the property listed and sold with a licensed real estate agent. It's very important because from the bank's perspective, they're already taking a loss on the property. So they want to make sure the property is marketed on the local MLS where the property is, and they're getting as much money as possible to recoup their investment. Just to recap that real quick, guys, you're going to have to send financial documentation into the bank, and that can vary depending on the loan that's defaulting. Second factor is you're going to be responsible for listing and selling the property. Hope that helps, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.
If you want to sell your house very fast for cash, then House Cash In gets the cash flowing.